Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most powerful and mysterious places in Georgia, the Chronicles of Georgia. Our journey begins at the foot of the hill, where a stone inscription tells the story behind this grand monument. From here, we start our climb, step by step, towards something monumental rising above the Tbilisi Sea. This place is unlike anything else in Georgia. It's massive, bold, and full of symbolism. Every column tells a story, not just of kings and saints, but of a nation's soul carved into metal and stone. And here's the fun part. Some locals jokingly call it the Tbilisi Stonehenge. Honestly, I kind of see why. It has that same mystical energy, but with a Georgian twist, bigger, more dramatic, and standing proudly above the Tbilisi Sea. As we approach, you start to notice something curious. The monument isn't completely finished. Even today, the construction continues, slowly and patiently, as if time itself decided to take its time here. Each detail seems to wait for its turn to be completed, giving the whole place a feeling of stillness and timeless motion. The monument feels almost otherworldly. As we move higher, the view opens up, and suddenly, out of the distance, we see it. 16 massive columns standing like ancient guardians of time. Created by the world-renowned sculptor Zurab Tsereteli in 1985, this masterpiece was never fully completed, yet it feels timeless and alive. Each column reaches over 30 meters high. The upper sections portray Georgia's kings, queens, and heroes, symbols of strength and pride. Below, you can see detailed bronze and copper scenes from the life of Christ, from the Annunciation to the Resurrection. As we step closer, the scale becomes overwhelming. The details, the faces, the stories, everything carved with emotion and meaning. We walk inside the monument, surrounded by towering columns that seem to whisper the echoes of history. I make a slow circle, taking in every detail, the texture of the bronze, the silence, the power of this place. Just nearby stand the 13 Assyrian fathers who helped spread Christianity throughout Georgia. And in front of the monument, the vine cross of Saint Nino, a sacred symbol of faith, reminds us how deeply religion is woven into the country's identity. Behind the monument rests a small church, peaceful and timeless, almost hidden in the shadows of the giant statues. As we exit from the other side, we stop for one last look. From a distance, the monument stands tall against the skyline, framed by the mountains and the blue of the Tbilisi Sea. It's breathtaking, silent, eternal. If you ever come to Tbilisi, don't miss this place. It's not just a monument, it's a story carved in stone, telling the soul of Georgia itself. Thanks for joining me on this journey, my friends. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, Life and Drive, and hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next adventure.